Hey everyone, I literally just recorded this video, didn't turn on the mic, so there's like this whole video and it's just silent. So I think I'm just gonna post it for the lulz, but it's gonna be the silent version of this video. So yeah, this is like the redo of it, I guess. So yesterday I lost my Switch, and it wasn't just lost; it was stolen. So I kind of wanted to tell the story of my Switch, and then also sort of like how I'm thinking of it. So basically, yesterday, my friends and I were eating dinner at this really good burger place called Super Duper, and then there were like two rows. So we sat in one of the rows, and I put my backpack behind me, and like we were eating. And then like at one point, I turned around, and then my backpack was like behind the chairs in the other row. And I was like, wait, that shouldn't be there. What's it doing over there? So I grabbed my backpack and I moved like closer to me. And then the guy like sitting in that chair like sort of apologized and was like, oh, sorry. But then yeah. So then I didn't think too much about it. I kept eating, and then at another point I was like, I should get something for my backpack, you know. So I turn around and I'm like, wait, where's my backpack? And then the guy was gone too. But I didn't know. I'm not sure if like the guy took my backpack or someone else after. And then I was like, wait guys, where's my backpack? And then everyone was like looking around for it. And then like within a few minutes I kind of knew like, fuck, my backpack's gone. So we went to like the front, and I was like, oh, do you have security cameras? But they freaking don't, which is like really sketchy because I don't know, I imagine that SF has like a lot of sketchy people, right? So then why wouldn't they have cameras? But they don't. So my friend and I basically walked around for like just a block and didn't see anyone in a Google backpack, so I was like, okay, I guess that's that. I lost my Switch, time to go home. So I got home, and then I didn't want to do anything, so I just slept at like 10. And then I woke up at 4 a.m. and I was like, fuck, slept too early. So yeah, like when I woke up, I was sort of in this half sleepy state, but then I also kind of knew like, yeah, my Switch is gone. So as I was lying there in bed, I was thinking like, okay, well, my backpack's gone. So basically, what was in my backpack was my Switch, my house keys, and then my badge. So the badge is easily replaceable. The keys, I just have to like probably pay a fee, and they'll give you a new one. And then for the Switch, I basically lost the value, like how much money I paid for it, but then also like all the time, like all those times I died in vain in Zelda, or all those countless hours of Mario Kart, like all of that was just gone. But then I was just like, well, I lost it, so I guess I shouldn't dwell on it too much, right? And then moving forward, I was like, okay, well, how can I make the most of this? So I was thinking basically that I could sort of frame this situation in a better and more positive light. Instead of just saying, oh, my backpack and my Switch got stolen, so I'm just gonna throw money at the problem and buy another one and just forget about all of it, I could be like, oh, well, my backpack and my Switch got stolen, so I'm using it as a catalyst to work harder, practicing in the morning, make more YouTube videos, and work harder at work. And then within a month or two, buy another Switch as a reward. So then at the end of it, instead of just telling the story of it got stolen, so I bought another one, I could say, oh, because it got stolen, it forced me to work harder, and yeah, then I got another Switch. So instead of the Switch getting stolen, as being a bad thing, it can actually be seen as a good thing. But yeah, so in the morning, I sort of thought of a joke. It was like, yesterday my backpack got stolen, and because my Switch got stolen, God is telling me that I should play less games. Because my badge got stolen, God is telling me that I shouldn't go to work anymore. And because my keys got stolen, God is telling me not to go home. So God, what do I do? But yeah. So yeah, I just wanted to like share a quick story on like yesterday what happened and how I lost my Switch, or how it got stolen, and then how I'm trying to make the best out of it. But yeah, like this isn't the first time something really bad has happened to me. Most of the bad things that have happened to me like are related to like my car though. Like I have had my car like had the window smashed and had my car broken into. I've hit the curb and one of my tires like popped. I got pulled over for a speeding ticket. I've hit a tree with my car, or backed up into a tree. So interesting, unfortunate stories that I could share in another video. But yeah, I just wanted to share the story and I don't know, maybe keep myself accountable. Hopefully in a month or two, I'll be working harder and I'll buy another Switch. Or I'll just buy another Switch just for the heck of it. But yeah, that's basically what happened with my stolen Switch and my backpack. I guess the moral of the story is just like, whatever happened already happened, and I already lost my Switch and everything else that was in my backpack, so I shouldn't dwell too much on it. I don't know. I think the guy who stole my backpack probably needed my backpack more than me. Everything in my backpack's replaceable, but I guess if you're at the point where you need to steal shit, then you're probably like in a way shittier situation. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Have a good day and don't get your backpack stolen. Bye.